Hey guys, Jagga here, and today's video is a little unboxing of my Gerard Cosmetics PR, which I'm super excited about. So yeah, I'm just gonna unbox this bad boy and show you what's inside. If you are interested in the look that I am wearing, it is the last video that I filmed, actually. I will have it linked in the eye. We don't need this. I'll pick that up later. Okay, so the first thing I see is Grace. This is the Star Powders highlight in the shade Grace. The box looks like this. Ooh, pretty. And we're gonna open it and I'm gonna swatch it. It's gonna be a fun thing. Alright, sorry box, but you gotta go down there. I need room to move my arms. Ah! Ooh, 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 isn't that pretty? Hello. Yeah. Okay, so the inside looks like this. You have a little to protect it. Comes with a little mirror, and the shade looks like that. Okay, let's swatch-a-rooney. Let's give it a little swatch-a-rooney. Ah, this is pretty packaging, I do want to say. All right. So it looks like that. Let's swatch it on my hand. Alright, look at that. That's going to be a very pretty powder. I like it. So there's that. Very pretty. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, let's just set you. Okay. The next thing is a lipstick in the shade Between the Sheets. Comes in a box that looks like this. Let's open it up. Possibly, maybe, could we please? Oh, here it is. There we go. And as we know, Gerard Cosmetics bullet lipsticks look like this. I have several. So this one is Between the Sheets, and it is a lovely, like, brown nude. I'm just going to swatch it right there next to, ooh, it's so smooth and buttery. There we go. So that is the color Between the Sheets. I'm actually wearing a Hydra Matte Liquid lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics right now. This Mile High that I'm wearing right now. Okay, next is another. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. It's another bullet lipstick. I don't know why, but lately I've been really enjoying wearing bullet lipsticks more than liquid lipsticks. If you want to know, the shade is always on the bottom. This is Fire Engine. You ready? You're not ready. Are you ready? Get ready. Oh yeah, looky there. Ah, so pretty. Okay, let's swatch this one. Ooh. Look at that. Oh yeah. Awesome. Ooh, I'm excited. That is such a good holiday Christmassy color. I'm so excited. Okay, next is another. This is in the shade Kimchi Doll. That's another bullet. And I'm gonna open her up. Looks like this. It says Gerard Cosmetics on it. It's just hard to see because of the light shining into the beautiful gold. But this is also like a peachy nude. Ooh. We'll swatch that right next to the fire engine. This is a light color. This would be perfect as like a center highlight for the between the sheets, and then you pop that in the center to lighten it. Yep. Super excited about that. What? Okay. Moving on. And this is the Supreme Lip Cream in the shade Angel Cake. It's in this box. It's like a gloss, a lip cream gloss type dealio. Ooh. 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 It is a nice light nude color. We'll swatch that next. Ooh, this is going to. So it's like a liquid lipstick, like a liquid lipstick that doesn't dry down matte. It's that one right there. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's gonna be. Smells good too. And last but certainly not least is the Gerard Cosmetics collaboration that is called Busted the House Ice Cream Shack. You see the glue is coming undone a little bit, but that's okay. Oh yeah. Alright, so opens like this. Inside it says, I love you so much, Heart Rich Lux. And then of course you get this cute little card. And you get 3 setting sprays, two, oh, the squirters, of course. 2 regular, like full size, that's the word I was looking for, full size setting sprays, and 1 mini setting spray. And this full size is in mint chocolate chip, which by the way was my favorite ice cream when I was a kid. Still love it, but my favorite is mostly chocolate and vanilla twist these days, but it comes like that. And then obviously they gave you the sprayers that you screw in after you take this off. So that's fun. This one is Dreamsicle, which I also used to love eating when I was a kid. And it looks like this. Ooh. Oh, and I believe they smell, I don't know for sure because I didn't open it, but they smell like obviously the flavors because you're not going to eat it. So yeah, they obviously smell like that. And then the mini is also the mint chocolate chip, and I will show you the mini size. so I am set for setting sprays for a while. Thank you, Gerard Cosmetics. And this is the mini size. So that is everything. They say you can put your brushes in the little house, but I don't think I'll be doing that because I have a suitable situation for my brushes. So we're good. We're good on the brush front. Oh, I'm not going to step over. Okay, so that, guys, is my Gerard Cosmetics PR haul. I hope you enjoyed this lovely little video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up, please, and thank you. Don't forget, if you like beauty-related videos, please subscribe and hit the little bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation, so YouTube will alert you as soon as my videos go up. So that is it for this one. I hope it was a fun little video and you enjoyed it. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.